Upanishads, unveiling the mystical wisdom of the Vedas. Abstract. The Upanishads, revered as the crown jewels of Hindu philosophy, represent the pinnacle of spiritual and metaphysical inquiry within the Vedic tradition. These profound texts delve into the nature of reality, the self, and the ultimate truth, transcending ritualistic confines to explore the depths of human consciousness. In this scholarly article, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of the Upanishads, delving into their historical context, philosophical themes, methodologies, and enduring impact on the spiritual landscape. Introduction. The Upanishads, often referred to as Vedanta, the end of the Vedas, are a collection of ancient Indian texts that mark the culmination of Vedic thought. Derived from the Sanskrit root upa, near, and ni, down, Upanishad signifies sitting down near or intimate instruction, reflecting their nature as teachings passed from a teacher to a disciple in a contemplative setting. Historical context. The Upanishads emerged in the later Vedic period, around 800 to 400 BCE, during a time of intellectual ferment and spiritual inquiry. This period witnessed a shift from ritualistic practices to philosophical contemplation, with thinkers seeking to unravel the fundamental nature of reality and the self. Philosophical themes. The Upanishads explore a range of philosophical themes that collectively form the core of Hindu thought. 1. Brahman. The Upanishads delve into the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality or cosmic principle that underlies all existence. 2. Atman. The Upanishads elucidate the concept of Atman, the individual self or soul, which is said to be identical with Brahman. 3. Maya. These texts discuss the concept of Maya, the illusory nature of the phenomenal world, which veils the true reality. 4. Karma and reincarnation. The Upanishads address the concepts of karma, action, and samsara, cycle of birth and death, highlighting the interconnectedness of actions and their consequences across lifetimes. 5. Moksha. The Upanishads emphasize the pursuit of moksha, liberation from the cycle of samsara, achieved through self-realization and union with Brahman. Methodology and teachings. The Upanishads employ various pedagogical methods to impart their teachings, including dialogue, parables, and direct exposition. They emphasize the role of a qualified teacher, guru, and a receptive student, ihya, in the transmission of knowledge. The texts advocate contemplative practices, meditation, and self-inquiry as means to attain self-realization and the understanding of ultimate reality. Distinct schools of thought. Within the Upanishads, distinct schools of thought emerge, reflecting diverse approaches to understanding the ultimate reality. The Advaita Vedanta of Adi Shankaracharya emphasizes the non-dual nature of reality, while the Dvaita Vedanta of Madhvacharya posits a dualistic relationship between the individual soul and the supreme reality. Influence and legacy. The Upanishads have had a profound impact on Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and culture. They serve as the philosophical foundation for various schools of Vedanta, influencing subsequent philosophical systems and religious traditions in India. The teachings of the Upanishads have also attracted the attention of scholars and thinkers from around the world, contributing to the global appreciation of India's spiritual heritage. Modern relevance. The teachings of the Upanishads remain relevant in the modern age, offering insights into the nature of existence, consciousness, and the quest for meaning. Their emphasis on self-inquiry, meditation, and the pursuit of ultimate truth resonates with contemporary seekers who seek deeper understanding and transformation. Conclusion. The Upanishads, through their profound inquiries into the nature of reality and the self, continue to inspire seekers on the timeless journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. As a testament to the boundless potential of human consciousness, these texts illuminate the eternal truths that transcend cultural and temporal boundaries, guiding humanity toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and the self.